Now, properties of electric charge. Electron has negative charge and proton has a positive charge. In an atom, there is a nucleus. In nucleus, there is a proton and neutron. They are called nucleons. And around the nucleus, there is an orbit. In this orbit, electron revolve in it. Electron has positive charge. Electron has negative charge and proton has positive charge. Now, positive charge and negative charge. Electric lines of forces comes out from the positive charge. And in case of electron or negative charge, lines of forces come inside the negative charge like this. If we place one electron and proton, electric lines of forces coming from positive charge and goes to the negative charge. They have elastic, therefore they, when moved, they bend. They make a curve. This is the property. And like charges attract each other, like charges repel each other, and unlike charges attract each other. Means positive positive or negative negative repel each other and negative positive attract each other. Magnitude of elementary charge is coulomb. If we take electron or proton from any part of the earth, we will get the same amount of charge. This is called quantized. Charge Q plus 5Q minus 2Q is equal to 4Q. This will be positive charge. And similarly, minus Q minus 5Q plus 2Q will be minus 4Q. It means the charge are in additive in nature. this is positive and this is negative. If we take plus 5q and minus 5q, the net amount will be 0, means the body is neutral. Body is neutral. Electric force of electron, that is equal to 10 की power 43 times the force, gravitational force between two electrons. And similarly, force between two proton and gravitational force between two proton is very much greater, that Fp is equal to 10 की power 36 times the gravitational force. It means electrostatic force is very huge, very big amount, as a 10 की power 43 times, and this is 10 की power 36 times.